Hi, today I'm for the POCO M5 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store, and here in the search field we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, tap here to open the app. Click yes, I agree. Click close. Here tap on the left down corner to OK. And now we can see information about temperature of our battery, and that is 30 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, device voltage, Android version, and more other information. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.